If we talk about Gully Boy, so I mean, look at the smile.
Decide to be an actor, just spend some time behind the camera.
What is the drill exactly? Kaise to reach the casting directors? Kaise to start their journey in acting?
Okay, so I feel the most important thing before you reach a casting director or a director or anybody, so to say, to look out for work, self-discipline and being answerable to yourself is very important. Ranveer and Alia, we are all sitting in the living room, like half on the floor and like that, reading. And you just see that, okay, these are the people, I've seen it on screen. And life is so simple, like it's not something that, when Ranveer is gonna walk, he's gonna be like this. No, it doesn't happen like that. People are people.
Yeah.
People also live, breathe, and live the simple way. If there is a remake of Mera Naam Joker, then I want to play Rajkumar sir. So the actors, I believe, I have this thing of, मुझे अगर ये सब भी फिल्में होंगी ना, ये भी होगा ना, तो मजा आएगा.
Yeah.
That's how scenes are built.
Hello everyone, this is Gaurika and you're watching us on Bollywood Live. Today I have a very very special guest with me, Nakul. Nakul, welcome to our channel. And first of all, I want to say, Khamba Khani, how are you? How is life treating you?
Khambagani. Thank you so much, Gaurika, for having me here.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, this is a good start.
Yes.
In the morning, if you get a nice cup of coffee. I'm a very big coffee person. Yeah.
Super. So, how is life treating you? And how is Mumbai, how's the industry treating you?
I mean, how should I say this? The most beautiful part is that I've found really good people on one side, and on the other side, there is still like, oh, who are you? So I'm in that space of, oh yeah, your work is brilliant. To who are you? So I'm trying to make my way out of that pendulum space.
Okay, so people are really talking about your upcoming project like Mother Bath, and
Yeah.
how is it like? How did you got on board, and what can fans really expect?
Expect the unexpected first. It's that because I this is the first time in the first half of the film I play the grade A sweet boy, classic romantic, sweet boy who has come for a new beginning, for a new start of life. So and then you get into the spaces which you have never heard of.
Becomes darker.
Darker, grittier. I mean, all I can say is everybody will be up for a surprise. So Arnab has a very beautiful way of narrating, I would say. This is the first time I got a narration like that. He narrated me half the script and he stopped and I was like, I mean, come on, tell me more. You cannot leave me at a cliffhanger. And like, no, you take the script, go home and read it. I mean, so you've called me to, discuss the project. So let's. I mean, I want to hear it out completely.
Yeah.
Like, I was like, I'll read it any which ways. Like, no, you read it. Okay, now, the director saying read it, so read it.
Yeah.
Cut to, I reached home, I read the script, and I flipped. So first, I had no idea there were certain things in the script. I was like, what is this? So I had to Google it. And then I flipped, I called him, I called my manager, Vandana. And I was like, I don't know how, but like, make it happen. I don't want any other reason why we are not doing this film, because that's what I follow. I have full creative control over what I do in my life. That I don't let anyone take those decisions, because I need creative decisions to be mine, good or bad. Like, I want to be responsible for it.
जो भी कैरेक्टर्स आप करते हो कहीं ना कहीं उनका अंश रह जाता है, मतलब कि आपकी पर्सनालिटी में आ जाता है.
Right.
I've heard actors talking about that.
Yeah.
So has it ever happened with you, being so into the character that उसका कोई trait you have unknowingly adapted it?
So usually it happens one with the language. Whenever you are catching a particular dialect, so to say, so that stays back for some time, and then just the way your body language is, because I like to. So for me, in terms of the character preparation, also developing a character walk is really important. Till the time I don't figure out a walk, I'm still unsure.
Oh, wow.
I'm still unsure that how to sort of go about it. And once I get that, I'm like, I know.
The walk.
The walk. That is something. The walk, the perfume. I have this
Perfume, yes.
Yeah.
I've heard Ranbir Kapoor saying that.
Yeah?
Yeah. Maybe maybe
Oh,
Ranbir or
wow.
some other actor, that
Yeah,
they have a perfume for each character.
I
So
have
they,
that
you know,
same.
oh,
And I
super.
keep the empty bottles also, so that's how I remember. So it's like, only like this much left or something. I
Yeah,
never touch it because that's the essence, what is left. I strongly resonate with smell a lot.
yeah,
So that's something what I keep. And yes, one good thing what happens with when you're doing interesting project is you make lasting relationships because you're like a family. I cannot. I think I'm homesick as a person, so I need my team always to be there, and that's very lean team. My manager Vandana, my HME artist Buran, and my Dada. So these three people are there. Now like I want to finish the shoot and I want to come back to the hotel room, chit chat with them for like
oh,
half an hour.
that's really sweet. Oh, like, oh,
Yeah,
cute.
thank you.
Okay, so we talk about your journey. You've been assistant casting director in the
Correct.
ZNMD. So we really want to know the nostalgia you still hold with you, and what were the takeaways. Because from working behind the scenes and then to working on the front, it takes a
Yeah,
lot. And 360-degree, your life has changed.
yeah.
We want to know about that.
So first, I would urge everyone who, I mean, this is my take. It's not a hard and fast rule, but everyone who decide to be an actor, just spend some time behind the camera. It teaches you a lot. It
Yeah.
teaches you the entire ecosystem of filmmaking,
Hmm.
and respect for each and every department because actors, I feel, is the last department, so to say, who enters a project
Hmm.
and the first one to exit
True.
because everything is set and then you just walk in and you do your bit and leave. But just to understand the camaraderie, even if a setup is taking those 5 hours, so you don't get agitated because you know the reason behind it.
Yeah, it takes a
How
lot.
yeah. So I personally thank my ZNMD days because I remember recording people after people, and it improves your understanding as an actor when you're going out there in the market. And Zoya is very sharp. Zoya and Nandini both, they are very sharp. Like those women, honestly, they taught me so much because in industry everybody talks about, oh, this is this kind of industry, that kind of industry, this
Yeah,
happened, that
the
happened.
negatives.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Like absolutely zero. You go there. I'm not saying it doesn't happen anywhere. Like that'll also be a categorically wrong
Hmm.
statement. But Zoya, especially Excel, I've spent so much time in that production house. Hats off to them. Like that was my luck factor that I started with Excel. Their respect for each and every one, like
Yeah.
from the lighter or from the office boy to Zoya. You have to give equal respect to everyone. And it's there. Like you can walk into Excel office anytime and you'll see.
We talk about casting, so अगर जैसे किसी को अपना career बनाना हो in the industry, because you have been a self-made star and you know that what it takes to be here, to be on this big screen and everything,
Yeah.
in and out,
Yeah.
So if people, they really want to know that what is the drill exactly, कैसे to reach to the casting directors, कैसे
Yeah.
to start their journey in acting.
Okay. So I feel the most important thing before you reach a casting director or a director or anybody, so to say, to look out for work, self-discipline and being answerable to yourself is very important because see there are no deadlines.
Yeah.
When you're looking out for work, you can get up at 11 also and be like fine, or 12 also. Nobody's gonna question you. Your mom and dad, your parents are thinking, oh, like my son or daughter is working so hard.
Yeah.
But the reality check is they're not. So the moment you start being accountable that okay, these are the things I need to do. If you are studying to become a chartered accountant, you have a curriculum, right? So set
True
a
that.
curriculum for yourself, and then when you go out, so first of all, in today's time, what you can do is there are really good casting directors. They are all there, like Mukesh Chabra,
They have an
Casting
app
Babe,
also.
everything, and nobody asks for portfolio pictures, those fancy pictures. I have not done a proper portfolio shoot ever in my life.
How did you get into the?
You just send your normal picture, ask your friends to click pictures, right? Because they want to. So as a casting, what happens is when you send over edited pictures
Oh,
and when you see the person walking in, it's an immediate disconnect.
true that.
And that is like, I mean, come on, if you have seen me in pictures which are highly edited, I'm looking like something else which I'm not, and then And you know, you go
Like, oh,
yeah,
is he
like,
the same guy?
and then imagine that is happening with your work.
True that it's a big no, and it might close the doors forever.
Exactly. So just be more close to who you are. Have your and you don't need to wear anything different.
Love your flaws, guys. Love your flaws.
Yeah, I mean that's what I have done. That's what has worked for me.
The rawness should be
Yeah,
there.
it should be there because okay, yeah. So first you're not. I believe first you're not casted directly for your talent.
Okay.
First, because the director has a character in mind, and that's how the casting director has been briefed, and casting director then see those categories and where do you fit. So the looks of the character and overall the way you communicate. If the guy is from Delhi, there'll people be like looking from a space where who can have a little bit of that Delhi twang to it.
Yes.
Of course, you can work towards it later on, but how much can you work?
Yeah.
Tomorrow you'll be needed as a Kashmiri. So have that confidence that see if they're calling you, then there is something related to the character. That's why they're calling you. I'm talking about the good casting directors. So focus on that, and if you have any other additional skills, work on it. So if you play, let's say, great cricket or basketball, like nail it, because if there is a script coming where they're looking for a cricketer, then imagine how many actors are already out, right? Like I follow boxing, and I did recently finish one project. I never had that kind of a physique or something which so the makers now, because they develop trust on me, they're like, okay, you know this, मैं ये लिख रहा हूँ कर रहा हूँ तू करेगा क्या, and then it starts. So anything other than acting, so acting is not something about, I don't know how to say this, but acting is not like a curriculum. Oh, you learn this, you finish this, and this is
nothing.
done. No, it is about you as a person and how big the life you know
and what you have bring to the table.
Correct. The more open you are, that's how people see it, and that's how I got my first project out.
So if we talk about Gully Boy, so I mean, look at the smile. So the expression says it all.
Yeah.
So we really want to know the memories you still hold with that particular film, and can we see you in more of these films?
First, when Zoya said, "Okay, you got the film," because I was doing this audition round with Zoya and the casting director, and you're so involved, and she's like, "Okay, Nakul, stop it, go home, you got the film." And so imagine if you're sitting here and suddenly the person goes, "Okay, yeah, you got the film," and you'll be like, "Oh." So there's a blank moment. You're like, "Did I hear this right?"
Yeah.
So that, and then when the reading started, so first it was in the office, and then it shifted to Zoya's house. She's a beautiful house at Bandstand, and Ranveer and Alia, we are all sitting in the living room, like half on the floor, and like Adam reading, and you just see that okay, these are the people I've seen it on screen, and life is so simple, like it's not something that when Ranveer is gonna walk, he's gonna be like this. No, it doesn't happen like that. People are people.
Yeah.
People also live, breathe, and live the simple way. And there's something on the sets of Gully Boy Ranveer did for me, which I will never forget. Is so we were shooting this train scene, and I was stuck, like in a technical term, I was stuck at a beat. Like I'm just not being able to crack it. Like how to hit that. And there were 4-5 takes, and like you're also like, oh, why am I taking so many takes? Because it's like a big project for the first time. So that pressure. That's what I'm telling you about pressure.
Pressure is always there.
I'm on the side. I was like, okay, I told Zoya, like, can I take 5? And like, yeah, sure, please do. And I'm there, and like, I'm contemplating what am I doing? And he just walks in and like, chote kya hua? And then he just gave me one small pep talk, and he shared an anecdote from Band Baja Bharat, and he's like, एक ही लगेगा ना, तू 10 दे 15 दे, टेक तो एक ही लगेगा.
हाँ.
तो रिलैक्स करना, इनके पास पूरा टाइम है, देखो फाइनलाइज किया है, तू इस फिल्म का पार्ट है. So just sharing his experience, coming and being that that tap on the shoulder that you're fine, and we went on and we did. Then the next take was an okay take. So you need to be a team player. This field is not it. Although it looks like ये एक्टर उस सीन, ये बहुत ऑडियंस वाली बात होती है, ये एक्टर उस सीन में ना खा गया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
ऐसा होता है, कहते हैं ऑडियंस.
This is what we are doing. This is a scene. Okay. Now, from an audience perspective, they might like you, they might like me, and that's about it. There is no khana. The moment an actor says, "ये मेरा scene है," that is like, I feel that is the
You're doing injustice to the whole, I think,
exactly.
film actually.
It will not work.
And it is not the actor's film. It is
Yeah.
actually the film which
Film.
has the actor.
Absolutely.
So it's the other way around.
Exactly.
And nowadays it's like,
Yeah.
so people should actually change their perception, and it takes a lot. Actually, when I've spoken to the casting directors and all these people, so they give, they keep telling us that how difficult is it to shoot at least one sequence.
Yeah.
It takes a lot, and you
Yeah.
have to. The retakes, we don't talk about the
Yeah.
retakes. We only see the final
Final.
take. So if we talk about industry friends, so
Yeah.
ऐसा कहा जाता है कि इंडस्ट्री में लोग दोस्त नहीं बनाते या इंडस्ट्री
Yeah.
में कोई दोस्त नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
So what is your take on this, and who's your industry friend, or is it there?
So I have now. I mean, my so to say, my friends are increasing, but I don't have friends who are increasing. I have more like relationship building up.
Like
So I'll talk about my
family.
friend. Yeah,
Do you make family?
I
like-
don't know. That's how I operate. Palak is my younger sister now,
Yeah.
so I have very special bond with her. I want to like have that, and the writers suddenly become my brothers.
You're
And-
making all the co-stars and the people of brother sisters like.
Yeah, because I mean, see, how should I say this? It's very close knit affair. Imagine you're spending 15, 16 hours of your life with those people,
Yeah.
and you cannot go with that bitterness. I cannot operate like that, and I told you I'm a very homesick person. So the time I find my cocoon, I'm happy.
And that's so sweet. So should actors have a plan B in their lives?
Never,
Never.
never.
But it's
Like,
very competitive. Like as you said, that it's gonna like consume you. So should they be ready with a plan B? Because
they
once
should be ready with a failure, but
Failure.
not plan B. There is a difference because, like you said, it's so competitive that if you have any other thought or contemplation running in your head, you are not going to make it.
right,
You know,
the
you
focus
have
should
to
be-
burn the bridges, but yet, if you see that your mind is telling you that, maybe this is not going to work out for me, and if your mind is coming up with a second option, understand that, shut that.
You're not focused, then
Yeah.
the vision is not clear, I guess.
No, shut that and move on. There's no harm in failure. So I'll give you my example. I was doing all of this, and on the side, I was like, I want to enter production now. I
Okay.
produced 2 ads, and big ads like for IPL, KP
Yes.
Gujarat Titans. I have like on the first go, I have Hardik Pandya, Shubman Gill, Kale Williamson as my talent who are there. I'm there as a producer. It's my own company. I'm like, great. And I did another one, and then there is a third one which I was doing, and suddenly, and this is the same time I'm shooting my Netflix Sare Jahan Se Acha,
सब कुछ साथ में हो गया है.
and I saw my focus shifting. I saw, I'm like, I don't have the bandwidth, both in terms of physical time and the kind of financial resources I need so that I can be off it.
Yeah.
Was not there. I bared the losses, shut down my office, and like the thing was that this is my apartment balcony, and that there was the office. It hit me. It was like it's difficult to accept failures,
Yeah.
but I learned this thing from Steve Jobs that fail fast. Fail as fast as you can so that you can move on. And I have no shame in saying that I failed. Like, why? So that next time if I enter and try to be a producer, I'll be better ready. I don't know, or maybe I won't touch it.
You've learned from
But
this.
I've learned from it. So it's very important to do that.
So what is your dream role like? What is the role that you've always dreamt of?
I'm a big time action fan, and slowly that journey, the only hint I can give you is that journey
Started already? It's a big exclusive scoop. I've got it.
Yeah. So,
Oh wow, we would love to see you in the action film.
because I decided to be an actor, I was watching Top Gun.
Okay.
In the night. It was HBO, Star World, I forgot. Back in the days, there was no Netflix. And I was like, ye karna hai. I had no
Yeah,
idea,
ye
but
karna.
yeah, ye karna hai, because I was always very fancied by army and this and that, because my mom is from the
Yes.
army. She served in the defense all her life, and I've seen that. I've loved that disciplined life. There's something about discipline which is so bloody attractive.
But you never planned on going into the army field?
No,
But you'll
because they cut
play.
your hair. At that time, I had this thing that I will never cut my hair. So my mom wanted to put me in an army school after 5th standard, boarding school, and I ran to my nani. They're like, I'm spoiled because of my nana. I'll be very honest. So I was the first grandchild in like my mom's side family.
The over pampered
The
kid I'm
over
seeing
pam-
right now.
yeah.
Yes,
So
but
I
that's a
ran.
good thing.
Yeah, I ran. I
That
cried.
is
I
the reason
cried.
for your glow. And for my
Thank
glow
you.
also. Even I'm like that. So,
Are you also
yeah,
pampered?
like I'm pampered. I have a
Nice.
younger brother, but
Yeah.
like I am the pampered kid.
Nice.
So,
Cheers to being
Cheers,
pampered
cheers.
siblings. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so that's how. I mean, now we will see you
In
in
action.
doing action. And
But again, my take on action is very different. I don't want to learn few set pieces and repeat that for like 10 films. No, for me, action needs to be. It should not be action set pieces. It needs to be incorporated in the script and just
Yeah.
like scenes flowing and the action happening. That's the space I enjoy the most. And one of the Bollywood film, I keep saying, I hope like Uparwala is hearing me.
yes.
I want, if there is a remake of Mera Naam Joker, then I want to play Rajkumar Sir's role.
Oh wow.
I love that film. That when he does that Jeena Yahan Marna Yahan, I was like, dude, how does he do it? And that expression when he sees the girl, yeah, I love that film.
So I request your fans to just pray कि
Yeah.
ऐसा हो जाए. Also, there's a fan question also
Okay.
कि who's your favorite co-star?
Favorite co-star? Interesting.
मैं खुद का favorite हूँ के अलावा.
नहीं वैसा नहीं है वैसा मेरा कभी I believe honestly the scenes are made because of the actors.
Yeah. What has been your
Recent
favorite, like touch your
experience?
heart?
Yeah, recent experience. I had a lot of fun building their camaraderie with Sharib Bhai,
Okay.
Sharib Hashmi in Murderabad. So because वो होता है जब जब दो लोगों में ट्यूनिंग बैठती है ना
Oh भाईचारा.
तो यस वो सीन फ्लो होने लगते हैं. Then आगे वाले प्रोजेक्ट की मैं बात नहीं करूंगा तो
Okay.
you know that you have
You were
we
about
meet
to say
again.
that, okay,
Yeah.
but oh, reality check.
But yeah, so for now it is very fresh. So it's Sharif Bhai because he's a Kamal character. So he was the first one to be signed on Murderabad, and when Arnab told me that I was like, okay, who all everything about the
Yeah.
technical team and all of that. And in the cast he mentioned Sharif Hashmi. I was like, oh, Sharif Bhai is there. Because so what happens with actors, I believe I have this thing of मुझे अगर ये सब भी फिल्में होंगे ना ये भी होगा ना तो मजा आएगा because
Yeah.
that's how scenes are built.
Right. Can we know about your upcoming projects or जिसके बारे में आप excited हो? Anything fans can expect? And there's a message from fans that
Yeah.
they would love to see you in a rom-com, like fully romantic boy with a comedy and also. So मैंने तो convey कर दिया message, but
Thank
let's see
you.
what's on the
See,
line.
there's a hint you will get in a very like an how should I say in Murderabad. First, is a very sweet boy, Jayesh.
Yeah.
So I touched that surface, but yeah, you know what? Like I was watching again because of Palak, a lot of K drama.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Even I've been watching a lot of K dramas, just genuinely cute
Yeah,
and sweet.
it's so
Yeah,
cute, right?
I
Like,
know.
So first I was like, this action side of me, like, मैं K drama,
मैं भी ऐसी
action,
थी.
yeah.
Yeah.
And
And I was
then
like, oh my
suddenly-
god. And next season, next episode कब आएगा? So it was like that.
I'm
Kept
like,
me hooked.
like यार ये cute है, ये अच्छा है. This is what I feel about romance, that the more innocent and naive it is,
Yeah.
the better it connects, and the more intelligent love stories you make,
हाँ.
the lesser it connects. So I want to do a thoda less headless, where the guy is just crying because the girl is not picking up the phone.
Yes.
It's so
We would love to see that. We do get connected. The girls do get connected because
Yeah.
असली में तो नहीं होता है ना.
नहीं, but कहीं असली में होता
होता
है,
है.
but people are
Lucky girls,
because
huh?
people are pretending
हाँ.
to not be affected because it's cool to be like
I know.
everybody gets
They're like
heartbroken.
actors in their real life.
Yeah, everybody gets heartbroken. It's just that when you come out and you're like, हाँ नहीं मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, अरे dude, yeah, whatever, and I mean yeah, the words which I don't want to use here, but yeah.
So that's really sweet. So thank you so much for your time. It was
Same.
lovely talking to you, and I request your fans कि जल्दी से हमें comment section में बताओ that आप इन्हें आगे और किस project में देखना पसंद करोगे.
Film is coming out. It's the first time I've got a chance to be a poster boy. I'm really excited. and my film name is Murderbad. It's releasing in theaters on 18th of July. So I request you to please go and watch it. And till now, I have never deleted even a single comment from my comment page, because I feel every comment is
Yes.
their honest view of who I am. I don't take it personally. That also I'm telling you. But yes, I'm open to feedback. That's how I feel a young actor, or when you're making your mark, you grow, because I really want to connect to my audience. I really want to listen to you guys. So please watch
With your
Murderbad.
friends, with your family members,
Yeah.
and do tell us your reviews in our comment section and his comment section and DMs. Flood his DMs with your messages and shower all the love to him. So thank you so much for your time. And again, we would love to see you more. We would love to interact with you more. And thank you so much again. for your
Thank
time.
you so much for giving me this platform to connect. And,
Ooh.
it is really special. Thank you.